Hello, and welcome to this session. By strategically applying makeup, you can create the illusion of symmetry, correct proportions, and highlight the best features of your clients. Objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to demonstrate corrective makeup for eyebrows, demonstrate corrective makeup for eyes, and demonstrate corrective makeup for lips.
Let's now see the procedure of corrective makeup for different types of eyebrows. Thin eyebrows. Use an eyebrow pencil to fill in the brows, following the natural shape. Gradually build up the density, focusing on creating a fuller look. Use a spoolie brush to blend the product and soften any harsh lines. Uneven or asymmetrical eyebrows. Start by determining the desired shape and balance for the eyebrows. Use an eyebrow pencil to fill in any gaps on the thinner eyebrow, following the natural shape. On the fuller eyebrow, use the same product to fill in lightly, maintaining its natural shape. Use a spoolie brush to blend the product and create a seamless transition between the two eyebrows. Avoid overfilling the thinner eyebrow as it can make the asymmetry more noticeable. Thin or sparse tail end of the eyebrows. Extend the tail of the eyebrows using an eyebrow pencil, following the natural direction of hair growth. Gradually, build up the density and thickness at the tail, blending it with the rest of the eyebrow. Use a spoolie brush to blend and soften the product, creating a natural look. Let's look at the materials needed for corrective makeup of eyebrows. We will need eyebrow pencil, eyebrow powder, spoolie brush, eyebrow gel, and highlighter. Let's now see how to do a corrective eyebrow makeup. Use a spoolie brush to brush the eyebrows upward and outward. This helps to separate the hairs and provides a clear view of the natural shape. Use a brow pencil or a straight object like a makeup brush to determine the ideal starting point, arch, and end point of the eyebrows by drawing 3 imaginary lines. Align the object vertically with the side of the nose to find the starting point, diagonal from the side of the nose through the center of the eye for the arch, and from the side of the nose to the outer corner of the eye for the end point. Start by lightly outlining the bottom and top edges of the eyebrows using pencil or powder. Follow the natural shape of the brows. Fill in any sparse areas by gently filling them with the eyebrow product, powder or pencil, using light upward strokes. Avoid applying too much product at once for a more natural look. Use a concealer or a highlighting product slightly lighter than the skin tone to clean up and define the shape of the eyebrows. Apply the concealer around the brows using a thin, angled brush or a small makeup brush. Blend it carefully to create a clean, defined line. Let's now see the procedure of corrective makeup for different types of eyes. Dark circle. Use color correctors, peach or orange. Apply a small amount of the corrector to the darkest areas of the under eye circles and gently blend it out using your fingertips or a small brush. Wide set eyes. Use a medium toned eyeshadow shade and apply it to the inner third of the eyelids. Apply a slightly darker eyeshadow shade to the outer corners of the eyes and blend it towards the center. Extend the eyeliner slightly. Highlight the inner corners. Apply mascara to both the upper and lower lashes. Close set eyes. For such eyes, use light colors on the inner corners and extend the outer corners using dark colors. Line outer corners and apply mascara on outer corners. Deep set eyes. Use lighter eyeshadow shades. Apply a medium toned eyeshadow shade in the crease to add depth. Apply eyeliner along the upper lash line, keeping it thin and close to the lashes. Curl the lashes and apply mascara to lift the eyes. Hooded eyes or overhanging lids. Apply a matte, medium-toned eyeshadow shade on the entire eyelid to create dimension. Use a darker eyeshadow shade in the crease to create the illusion of depth. Apply eyeliner along the upper lash line, making it slightly thicker towards the outer corner to lift the eyes. Curl the lashes and apply mascara to open up the eyes. Round eyes. Use matte, medium toned eyeshadows in the crease and outer corner to create depth and elongate the eyes. Apply eyeliner along the upper lash line, making it slightly thicker towards the outer corner and extend it slightly past the outer. Curl the lashes and apply mascara to add length. Small eyes. Choose a light color for the upper eyelid. Highlight under the brow to open up the eye area. Curl the lashes before applying mascara. Apply light colored eyeliner to the lower eyes, and a white eyeliner may be applied to the inner lid to make the eye appear larger. Downward slanting eyes. Apply eyeshadow upwards and outwards at the corners of the upper eyelid. Apply eyeliner to the upper eyelid. Curl the lashes and apply mascara. Oriental eyes. Divide the upper eyelid in two vertical parts. Apply a lighter color over the inner half of the eyelid and a darker color on the other half. Apply a highlighter under the eyebrow. White eyeliner may be applied at the base of the lash line on the lower inner eyelids. Let's now see the different materials we use for this procedure. Brushes, eyelids primer, highlighter, eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyelash curler, mascara. Let's now see how to do a basic corrective eye makeup. Apply an eyeshadow primer or a small amount of concealer on the client's eyelids. Choose a matte eyeshadow that matches the client's skin tone or a shade slightly lighter. Apply this color all over the client eyelid using an eyeshadow brush. Using a slightly darker matte eyeshadow shade, apply it to the crease of the client eyelid. Use a fluffy blending brush and windshield wiper motions to blend the color back and forth in the crease. Use a highlighter shade and apply it to the brow bone area just beneath the eyebrow. This will lift and highlight the area. Additionally, apply the same highlight shade to the inner corner of the client's eyes to make them appear brighter and more awake. Apply eyeliner on the client eyelids. Use an eyelash curler to curl the client lashes. Then, apply mascara to the client upper and lower lashes to add length and volume. Corrective makeup is all about enhancing the natural features and achieving the desired look. Let's look at the corrective makeup procedure for different types of lips. Thick lips. Use a lip liner to slightly trace inside the natural lip line for a more defined shape. Opt for medium to dark shades of lipstick. Choose matte finishes over glossy ones. Soften the edges of the lip liner for a seamless blend with the lipstick. Thin lips. Use a lip liner that matches the client's natural lip color. Slightly overline the lips along the natural lip line to create the illusion of fuller lips. Fill in the lips with the lipstick shade of your client's choice, opting for lighter or brighter colors that can create the appearance of more volume. Uneven lips. To correct asymmetry, start by lining the smaller or less defined side of the lip, following its natural shape. Line the larger or more defined side of the lip, slightly adjusting the shape to match the other side. Fill in the lips with the lipstick shade of your client's choice, applying it evenly on both sides. Thin upper lip or thin lower lip. Use lip color to build the cure of the upper lip or lower lip to balance the lower lip or upper lip. Apply a touch of highlighter to the center of the lower lip or upper lip to draw attention downward and balance the overall lip shape. Small mouth. Outline the lips slightly outside the natural lip line. Fill in with lipstick. Apply a touch of gloss. Cupid bow lips. The point of the upper lips can be filed by winding the side of the lips with lipstick and liner. Drooping corners. Liner and lipstick can be used to build corners of the mouth. Let's now see the materials needed for doing corrective makeup for eyes, eyebrow, and lips. Lipstick, gloss, lips liner, lips brush, lips balm. Let's now see how to do basic lips makeup. Apply a lip balm to hydrate the lips and create a smooth canvas. Apply a lip liner that matches the shade of lipstick chosen by the client. Based on the type of the lips, use the lip pencil wisely. Apply the lipstick directly to the lips or use a lip brush for more precision. Fill in the lips, starting from the center and working your way towards the corners. Be sure to cover the entire lip area evenly. To create the illusion of fuller lips, apply a small amount of highlighter to the center of the upper and lower lips. This technique can make the lips appear more prominent and give them a subtle look. Corrective makeup is all about enhancing the natural features and achieving the desired look.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, you have learned the procedure for corrective makeup for eyes, procedure for corrective makeup for eyebrows, and procedure for corrective makeup for lips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.